Okay guys, Ralph here, just a really quick video because then all the logistics are done. Then I have shown you how you can get an American street address if you live outside the US, how you can get a prepaid debit card when you live outside the US, and the last bit that I use is an American phone number for free, which is quite useful if you are in a situation that you want to open an account somewhere and they ask for a phone number, or you are in a support situation, for example at Walmart, where you have to fill in your phone number. Here you have an American phone number for free, where you can get your call on your mobile with an app. And basically what I will show you is this. And let me see. I've put my American phone number, which I don't show you obviously. I put my American phone number already in my landline in Belgium. So let's give it a try. Press on redial. Then let's wait. So I'm calling in the US, and here comes the call on the app on my mobile. So works perfectly. It's for free and a website, and then also I get a call with the missed call with the number from my landline in Belgium. And if I don't pick up the phone, there's also a voicemail that pops in automatically. The service that I use is textnow.com. Here you have it. It's for free. No, I'm not an affiliate. No, I don't earn anything. Either you use it, yes or no. So absolutely for free. So textnow.com. Open yourself an account. What I did is I have my American street address, and the American street address also attached the zip code and the area where there's addresses, and I picked a phone number from this area. Yeah, so you have, when you log in, you have several phone numbers where you can choose from. Here you can see the plans. I use the basic, the free plan. Come on, where are you? Yeah, I use the free plan. There are some other plans, but free plan, as you see, it's fine. And for me, it's important that I can fill in somewhere my phone number, and basically they can reach me. Yeah? So that's quite useful. You can phone also in the US. So if you have to call, let's say Walmart help desk, you can call with the app when you are with Wi-Fi only. So if you have a Wi-Fi, working Wi-Fi, you can call for free also in the States and in Canada. So for me it works perfect. If you come in a situation that you are with a phone menu, press 1 for English, press 2 for customer support, press 3, something like this, and it doesn't work with the app, then what you can do is also for free, you type in DTFM generator. So those are basically the tones that you create when you press the 1 or you press the 2. Let me see if it's this one. Yeah. So onlineToneGenerator.com. And what you can do when you are in a call, and with Skype it doesn't work. When you are in a call and you press 1, the tone doesn't come into the menu. So what you then can do is you put your speakers a little bit up, and then you press here. I don't know if you can hear it now, but otherwise you check it at home. Yeah, so you have here, you have the tones. Yeah, and then what you basically do is when you are in your call, you open this website, you pull up your speakers, and then when it say press 1, then you do the mobile in front of the speakers and you press the 1, and then normally it works. So Okay, so here you have it. It's for free. If you have any questions, you can find me on Facebook. My account is Ralph at Work. If you want to know more about the free course, free training, you can come to my website. Here's everything with tools, software that I use, free training. And the upcoming videos from now on are only about how I sell on eBay, how I build the account, how I find items to sell, and so on and so forth. You can send me a friend request. Very important. If you have a Facebook account without a profile picture, and you send me a friend request, and I click on it, and I can't see anything on your wall, I don't accept it. I block you, and it's done. That's just as for info. Okay, so basically that's what it is. Free telephone number, free fax number is attached in the address that I showed you, and the US based prepaid card. So normally you shouldn't have any problems with purchasing items or open accounts or something like that. Alright, so see you back in my next video. My name is, very important, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get news videos, and see you back in my next videos where I will show you how you can build a seller's list, how you can find profitable items to sell on eBay, which sources that I use, how I list items, and so on and so on and so forth. See you back in my next video. Subscribe to my channel. My name is Ralph, and